Welcome back to the Slimwin YouTube channel, and this week I'm still in northern Thailand, hoping to get 10 more national park stamps for my Thailand National Park stamp book through 3 northern Thailand provinces. And guess what? It's still raining season. Anyways, let's roll titles and I'll see you for this week's adventure.
Day 1, and this week's ride will take me across 1,085 kilometres through 10 national parks and 3 provinces, right in the middle of Thailand's rainy season. The roads ahead in this video will take us deep into the mountains, including a stretch many riders call the best road in Thailand, but that's to come later. After a 3.5 hour ride from Chiang Mai, I arrived at Doi Long National Park in Chiang Rai, kicking off the journey by collecting my 51st National Park stamp for the Thailand National Park stamp book. The park is closed today, which is fairly common during raining season, but I was still able to collect the stamp at the front office. It's never ideal just grabbing the stamp without being able to show you what the park has to offer, but I actually explored this place back in 2022. You can find that full video in the description, where I climb all 7 waterfalls. From here, I'm back on the road, heading 65 kilometres east to the next stop.
And then we go down here hopefully and we can get the stamp. Let's go get our second stamp this week. Ideal. That is stamp number 52, and we're going to go for a walk down there. Mae Palm Reservoir. Oh, it stinks. I'm sweating and because I put sun cream on me today, sweating into my eyes. Not the best. Pai Ao, everyone. What are we thinking? What else do I know about Pai Ao? It's a great place to come as a weekend break and relax. Just take it all in, really. It's very peaceful. Can I see any fish? No. It's starting to become a running theme with the parks being closed. The reason is they do maintenance during raining season because there's less tourists. Places with waterfalls especially, they just close, or caves, they normally just close for the safety of people wandering around, and if something happened to them with the amount of water can come down in a flash flood. Tricky times, but it doesn't stop me because we can still get the stamp at the headquarters, and there's still so much I can show you in a week anyway, with 10 national parks to go and see, or hopefully go and see. It's only the first day. It's very pleasant. Right, winning. Stamp 52 done. Okay. Morning, how are we doing? Wow, we had a bit of a storm last night, so was happy to get to the hotel early. It's 5:30 in the morning. I don't normally show hotels because it's a place where I just download and have me time. Look at this. This is a naga, type of mythical creature that the Thais love. They're temple guards for temples. I tried to film this last night and the mosquitoes went crazy on me, even with mozzie spray. So during raining season, next to a lake, you're gonna have the mozzies. But okay, let me show you more. When it's not raining season, this huge lake, it's only 1.5 meters deep. This is what I love about it, is watching the fishermen. It's really peaceful here. But I've woken up to the classic scenario of the weather. But luckily, we aren't going that way. We're going that way, which looks a bit better. I got a feeling I'm gonna get wet today in raining season. Shock horror. I don't mind as long as I get the stamps. It's 2 hours to get to the first park today. It's 5:45 now. I'm pretty much ready to rock and roll. The park opens at 8. I'll treat myself to another coffee here. 6 o'clock, 6:10 I think. I'll try and hold my excitement today for 6:10. A bit more daylight on the roads and we're rock and roll.
Leaving Pai Ao town behind, I made my way towards Phu Sang National Park. The ride took me through peaceful rice fields, which is always the perfect opportunity to stop, stretch your legs and grab a few more photos for the collection.
and a coffee. Captain Crab, perfect. Thank you so much. Big head turtle. Yeah, but in Thai, it's what's the name of the Bulu. Bulu. Bulu turtle. Will I see or no? Oh crap. Would I? Yeah. No. Chai. I like this. It's almost like a mini national park. It's right on the road, free of charge because it's on the road. If you notice in the shop, I bought a little toy turtle, and on the coffee mug is a turtle itself. Reason being is there's an extremely rare turtle that lives here in this habitat. It's called the Siamese big head turtle. It's just a really cute little turtle with a big head. Kusang Waterfall. That is epic, isn't it? So way above there is the hot springs, and that's where the water's coming from to create a waterfall. Can I see any fish? Not one. Okay, sit rep. We're an hour to the national park, but the more I ride this bike, the more I can hear a rattle. And there's normally a garage that Honda have called Green Wing. Perfect. Thank you, Crab. Wow, my chain. Oh, the rattle's gone. Sorry, Crab. Hi. National Park. Nan National Park. Okay. Okay, thank you. Crab.
Crossing into Nan, the view's already impress. Endless mountains and quiet winding roads. But the real highlight's still to come. My favourite road to ride is waiting ahead.
Now, I am hearing thunderclouds that way. We're going this way, so no problem, you know. We're dodging. It'll be hot. You want to use my glove to pick it up, or? Whoa. It's cool. Oh, chicken. But check out this. So, Lotus, thought I'd just stop here for a quick drink. I sat on this bench check out that view. And that's where we're heading up to those mountains, and the views and the roads are just incredible. Yeah, lovely. 30 minutes to get up to the first viewpoint just before the national park, and we'll get rocking and rolling.
Riding through Nam province, the mountains really start to open up. Winding roads, endless hills, and views that follow me every step of the way. It's moments like this that make the long ride worth it.
Well, it says viewpoint, and fair enough, it's a viewpoint, but there's nowhere to park the bike, so we'll head on to the national park. But wow. Yeah, looks open. Swaddy crab, hi. When I got here, it was an absolute whiteout, but clouds are going, the rain clouds are going the direction we want to go. I'm hoping the bit of sunshine down there is what we're after.
After soaking in the views at 1715 viewpoint, it's time to ride down the mountain. But with the mist rolling in, rain starting to fall, and the usual roadworks ahead, this part's going to get a little interesting.
Oh, Slimmy. It's a river. Bit of a landslide. Oh well. Why not? Here I come. Good test for how good my tyres are. Oh well. Could be worse, couldn't it? Go on, please end. What's going to be around this corner? Sodom. What a muppet I am. This looks good though. Lovely. Here we go.
Okay, so called it quits today because we're still an hour away from the best road in the world, in my opinion. So got a hotel just over here, and check out this. A lot of water. It's going for it, this river. I've got cameras from today being downloaded, and then in here is the bathroom. Got the fan on full blast and me clothes, and they're going to be damp in the morning, I think. You know, it is quite cold here. I woke up to a misty garden view and a breakfast that could rival any 5-star resort. With the clouds lifting, it was time to hit the road, heading towards what I honestly think is one of the best motorbike rides in Thailand.
Okay, let's go have fun now. I'm up for it.
And here it is, the gateway to Road 3 in Nan. Hidden high in the mountains, this stretch runs through nearly 70 kilometres, cutting through some of northern Thailand's most stunning scenery. Smooth tarmac, endless mountain views, it's a road built for moments like this.
be quick because other people want to get their photos here and that, but this is road 3. Here we go. The iconic photos you'll see on Instagram and that. And my favourite road. So really happy we waited it out last night and still got to do it in the dry. Cab. Got me shades on, the weather's correct. We've done road 3 today, which was fantastic. And that was stamp number 58. So 2 more stamps. We got 1 more in Naarn to go and get. And then we're going to head back into Payao to get the last stamp in Payao, and that will complete Naarn and Payao provinces. Whew. A lot of butterflies. And then I'll show you up here. We'll go through this gap. You can have a look at the river. So, okay. Anyways, awesome. I don't like to give the parks a score or rate a province, but I mean, Naarn is just, it's awesome. Morning, how we doing? Day 5, and I'm not on my bike, but all okay. But just off to 7-Eleven, just getting my motorbike washed. Then I'll head back to the hotel and explain what I'm up to. So I woke up at about 4:30 in the morning. It was just raining really heavily. I decided at that time just to stay here, do some washing at the hotel, get my motorbike washed, and also try and fix my transmitter for my DJI mini mic. The day it got rain, I walked up to 7-Eleven to get some dry rice, so it's all I can do really is put it in this and pray it's gonna work. Also, we got to talk about yesterday because we went to Sainan National Park, this place, and it was the last place yesterday with the most incredible view, but at the same time I was having mic issues. It was the end of the day. We started yesterday at 8 in the morning, I think we started about 8 yesterday and we finished at 6. We got here at the hotel at 6 and I was just knackered, probably not thinking about it. There's this place and I've always wanted to see it, and it bummed me out last night when I looked at the picture and I was like, oh man, I want to see that. I'm thinking tomorrow we go back there and we go and check it out again. And then in my Fitzjoonurlok video where I got 14 stamps through 6 provinces in 5 days, I also went to, here we go, we also had Konsafin, but it was closed at the time, so I'm thinking we go back there as well tomorrow, and then we go into Payao and finish Payao. That's my thinking anyways. Sawadee krab, hi. Sawadee krab. Yeah. Yes. Crab. I love it when I feel like I'm the only one here. Pretty cool. This is cool. I mean, they must be eroding away. It looks like by touch it will be quite soft. Looks taller in the pictures. Maybe it'll get bigger around the corner. Day 6, but really it's the 5th day moving because yesterday was a right sort out day. The bag of rice didn't work, so I'm using the old mic. It's impressive, it's cool, but first glance and looking at it, it looks so fragile. I can't see it being here much longer if we keep getting rainfall like we do. People balancing rocks. Oh, it's hot. One with me. It's a win. Okay, see you in a minute. Nice view. It's very satisfying that I've come back here to revisit this park. Feels like a big win. That's insane, that view. We are above the clouds. Coffee shop over there, so gonna go and get a coffee and hopefully see another view the other side. You can pick up your stamp book from the national parks. It's easy as that, 100 baht. This is an extra national park on our video then, so set out to go and see 10. We're back with 11, but we already had the stamp, so we'll keep it as 10. This is just revisit bonus. Camera will probably fall over, but stunning, eh? Winning.
After revisiting Khon Saphin National Park, I made my way back into Phai Au province with around 70 kilometres of pleasant weather to follow me, leading into Doi Pu Nang National Park, and my final stamp for this week.
I didn't expect this. Even if the water's brown, it's stunning down here. They said I could look but not swim. Oh, surely that tree did not come down that waterfall. Nah, it couldn't have, could it? We're here, there we go. That's 10 more stamps, so we've completed Phai Au province and Nan province. We got wet, we experienced the best road in my mind in Thailand, and we're up to 60 national park stamps out of 157. And relax, Slim. So, it's been an absolute pleasure to show you guys. I can't thank you enough. If you could hit a like and subscribe, you'll be able to see the next of my videos. And if you don't, I don't blame you. How did I get over here? Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna stay the night in Phai Au and then ride 2 or 3 hours back home to Chiang Mai tomorrow and go and buy a new microphone. What a week. What a fantastic week.